Hey, how annoying is this? When you try to use your voice assistant to turn off your light and you get that dreadful response, that light is not available right now. Now, this may have happened because the kids or the wife may have switched off the light switch, and now your voice assistant doesn't have access to your smart bulb because now it's showing offline. Well, with this product, regardless if that light switch is turned on or off, you can still control it using your voice assistant. And I'll show you just what I mean right after this. Now, before I get started, if you end up liking my content, please make sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to receive more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by matching that subscribe and that notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Now, the company behind this multicolor smart bulb is Avatar Controls. All right. And as you can see here, it is supported by Alexa and Google Assistant. All right. So pretty cool smart bulb. But what's nice about this whole packaging is that it comes with this module. And what this module does is allow you to control the smart bulb using the Google Assistant or Alexa or even the app, even if the switch is powered off. All right. So pretty cool feature, pretty cool technology. And with that stated, let's go ahead and get this open. Get this open here. All right. And here's the bulb. All right. All right, so let's take a look in here. All right, so here's the module, right? This right here, that will keep the smart bulb working regardless of the light switch being powered on or off. All right, but as it tells you there, beware electric shock. Now, for the time's sake of the video, because it's going to be long enough, I will not go through the process of showing you how to install this, but it is pretty straightforward, very easy. But once you have this installed, which it will tell you how to do it in the manual, once you have it installed, you will be able to use your voice assistant to control your lights, regardless of the light switch being turned on or off. Now, before you go ahead and get this installed, it is very important for you to go to the circuit breaker and turn the electricity off for the light switch you plan on installing this on. Again, you don't want to hurt yourself. You want to protect yourself. Make sure you go to the circuit breaker and switch that electricity off before you go ahead and get this installed. And there is also a set of instructions or a manual. All right. Really easy to use, really easy to set up. All right. There's something else here. Here you go, service card. All right. So let's go ahead and get this set up. All right. So regarding the app that you would need, you can use the QR code here to get it installed on your phone first. All right. So if you have an Android, you will just go ahead and search if you don't want to use the QR code for Avatar Controls, or if you have an iOS device, you will just search for Avatar Controls as well. All right. Go ahead and get this installed. Now, once it finished installing, let's go ahead and tap open. And then, of course, you have to do a sign up if you don't have an account already. Agree. And then fill out this information and go through the steps. All right. So after signing up, you should see the screen here. You can go ahead and tap here or here to add the new device. All right. All right, can focus here. And then we're going to choose Wi-Fi. All right, allow. All right, so you're going to input your Wi-Fi details. Now it does not support 5 gigahertz, only supports 2.4. So if your phone is on the 5 gigahertz band, you want to go ahead and change that to the 2.4 and then input the password, and it should take you to the screen here. All right. All right. So this step, you just have to prep the light bulb. As it states here, you need to do a reset on it first. Now, if the light is blinking rapidly, just like it's showing here, you're all set, and you just need to go ahead and skip to the next step. But if not, you're going to power on the device or the light bulb, and then turn on, off, on, and then ensure the light is blinking rapidly. And of course, you can read the rest there. Pretty simple. All right. So once you can confirm that the light is flashing rapidly, just like so, go ahead and tap confirm here and then tap next. Now that the smart bulb is set up, you can go ahead and link it up with your Alexa or Google Assistant by following the steps here. Pretty straightforward. All right. Now, if you don't already have a Google Assistant or all right, so now that I have this smart bulb set up, let's go ahead and give it a test with the Google Assistant. Hey Google, turn the test light off.
All right, turning the test light off.
Hey Google, turn the test light on.
Got it, turning the test light on.
All right, so you see that it does work by power on and off. Let's just change a couple colors. Hey Google, turn test light blue.
Sure, changing the test light to blue.
Hey Google, turn the test light red.
Sure, changing the test light to red.
So as you can see, it works just like a regular RGB or multicolor smart bulb. Now, if you don't have one of the smart speakers for Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you can always use the Avatar Controls Ava Cube, and it does have Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So this will pretty much act as a Echo Dot. So this option is available, and of course, a link will be posted in the description section for this as well. All right. And I will go ahead and get this set up and demonstrated so that we can see how this works as well. Let's get this open really quick. All right. It should be really easy to set up. All right. You have your manual that's here. All right. And let's see, get this out of here. There we go. All right. All right. It can be mounted as well, as you can see here. Pretty cool. And then you have your power plug or cable. All right, and let's see what it is. It's micro USB to type A. All right, so let me get this set up real quick. It should be straightforward per the manual. For the time's sake of the video, I don't want to go through all the steps. It should be pretty simple. Just get it plugged up, and then you should be able to add this device just like you did the smart bulb. For the time's sake of the video, I'm not going to spend the time showing how to get this set up because it's going to be straightforward. Once you plug this up and you have the Avatar Controls app on, it's going to automatically detect it as long as you're on that 2.4 Wi-Fi network, and it's pretty much easy from there. So I'm going to set this up with my Alexa account and then pretty much go from there, and then we can test it out. All right, so now that I have the Ava Cube all set up, let's just give it a quick test run. What is 12 times 50?
12 times 50 is 600.
And this completes my review for the Avatar Controls multicolor smart bulb. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.